You can look alive, but you are not at rest. And ideas are flying through your head, a million miles an hour, or lying in your bed, or losing life. You never thought you'd be working every day, working just to breathe. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, cause dreams are what we're made of. And we live in a world where fake girls take fake drugs, make fake love. Damn, where's the real at? Can't tell me you can't feel that. These layers that I peel back, now tell me, is this real rap? Fuck that, this is heartbreak. How much can this heart take? You love something just so much, when it's gone you feel your heart ache. No wait, I mean literally, fucking feel your heart ache. Glass full of vodka just to drown away a hard day. Damn, so we fell out of love. You see, you wanted him and me, I wanted us. We were fighting, we would argue and the fighting got tough. And when I make a line like that, they try to guess who was. Well, what if I told you these lines and it means shit? Would you get the same feel from when you thought that it did? Like when a girl comes and tells you that she wants to have kids, and then you fucking realize she never gave two shits, bitch.
The press, everything a mess. You can look alive, but you are not at rest. And ideas are flowing through your head, a million miles an hour, or lying in your bed, a losing life. You never thought you'd be working every day, working just to breathe. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
Sometimes I try to act tough, the pain I feel is too much. And we live in a world where girls just need to hide behind their makeup. I ain't made a meals, these college bills will cost more than I make, huh? So I lay in bed and ponder when the fuck these things will change up. What am I supposed to do? Get 2 jobs to make it work? Well, what's minimum wage is $8.50 all at work. Damn, well I guess that is status quo. So all the rich are getting richer while the poor man stays poor and shit. I ain't looking for material things, I want the love and the music and the fans that it brings. So what the fuck you looking for? Do you want the same thing, or is your mind set on nice cars and nice scorings? I try to bring things to light that have been locked in my mind. I put my heart out on a platter, you can take what you find. It's fine, you can take this song as me just bitching, or you could take this as a lesson. Let your ears really listen and listen.
The press, everything a mess. You can look alive, but you are not at rest. And ideas are flowing through your head, a million miles an hour, or lying in your bed, a lucid life. You never thought you'd lead. You're working every day, are you working just to bleed?